So, like in the US side, in the UK, we've got one account combined with UK and other countries like Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. So you pay £25 plus VAT a month, and you get access to all these marketplaces. And other costs associated are commissions. So we've got commission ranging from 15% plus VAT to going down to 7% for consumer electronics. 15% I said on an average, but if you look up jewelry category, that's 20%, and that's the highest one. But again, I know the cost may be the high for somebody who is selling on website or selling elsewhere. Yes, they look a lot higher commission, but what we need to look at is when you develop a website, the amount of investment you have, in Google Ads, and that's a time to develop that sales. It's a lot longer. Whereas with a platform, Amazon itself, where there is loyal customers there, people check out very quickly, you may start selling even on the same day. So we need to consider that sort of area as well if you're thinking a lot more on the cost.
Hey, it's Ria Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.